All right. Get up in your hole. Oh, yeah. Yep. Let's see. Yep. Yeah. Oh, yeah, that's nice. Okay. Put you right in the front center for you. What? Whoa. Oh. 8 milli. I'm a fucking 8 milli. What am I supposed to do with that? Oh, get your ass up on there. I'll swap that over real quick. All right, done with you. What the hell? Oh, there you go, buddy. Okay. Put your back jack. There you go. Oh, yeah. Move. Yeah. No, that's what I'll do. Nope. No, I got one of these. I'm sitting here. Oh, there's a little baby one. Oh, look at this guy right here. I mean, that's cute, man. Yeah. Oh, Subaru Avalonian. No. All right, well, no, big boy, no Honda hybrid. A little bit smaller there, boy. Okay. That's a big one. What are we thinking, boys? We got this big one. We got the big badge, the Honda Avalonian. We got the medium Honda hybrid badge. Yeah. Oh, yeah. You know what? That's looking nice, boys. The baby one right here. Yeah. All right. Well, let me know. I'm gonna ponder this for a second. I'd appreciate your opinion. I think that's the winner right there. Where's my goddamn 3M tape? Oh, right. Yeah. Okay. Hey, get your ass back there. Everybody calm down. A little test fit for you, bud. Line you up real nice. There she goes. Okay. Go on, get. Yeah. Middle flavor, extra large. Here's one. Here's two. Here's two. Here's one. Simba. What are we thinking, buds? Should I order a new OEM Toyota emblem, or should we go with the Honda hybrid emblem? Let me know in the comments. I will decide based off said comments. Thank you for your time.